Mike Ippolito here again with Skinz, here to talk to you about our Epoxy Flake systems. Before we get started, we need to make sure that our floor is dry, clean, and in good sound condition. Once we've determined the condition of our concrete, we can then begin grinding. It's a very important step to create a good profile for our flooring systems to hold on to. After this, we can apply our vapor barrier and allow that to cure. Once the vapor barrier is fully cured, we can then apply our 100% solids industrial grade epoxy and broadcast our flake into it. Here at Skinz, we like to broadcast our flake 100% over the whole floor so that it gives you a full, even, and nice coating. Once that epoxy is cured, then we can scrape up the excess and remove all of the loose flake and apply our top coat. All of our flake and quartz systems are designed to be slip resistant and extremely durable. Call us now for your free estimate.